Hi, in this video, I'm going to show you guys how to place your USDOT truck sign on your vehicle. And I'm also going to show you guys how to remove it using several different methods when placing and when removing. Stick around. You can see using the heat gun with the assistance of a squeegee helps so much, makes the job a lot easier to do. In this part of the video, I'm going to show you how to install this professional USDOT truck door decal template on your truck door, and we're going to use a simple just eyeballing it method. This is the easiest way to do it and the fastest. If you can see here, we're displaying our company name, we're displaying the location where we're doing business out of, and we're also displaying our USDOT and the MC number. So you can combine all your stuff, your USDOT, MC, company name in one beautiful design like this, and you can make it your logo. That's what a lot of our customers do. So your design might have a few bubbles. You just make sure you give it a few days with the temperature. They're slowly gonna come out. One thing we always recommend is that you apply your product to your commercial vehicle as soon as you get it. The sooner you do it, the better. And keep in mind, take your time. There's no rush. Make sure you do it well the first time. And if you can do it indoors, like in a garage or something like that, or a shop, that would be even better. So in this step, I'm going to show you guys how to remove your professional US.DOT decal template using a heat gun. So we're going to apply heat all over the design and use our squeegee to help remove it. When you're done removing your sign, you want to just use some Windex, some soapy hot water, spray down, and then wipe it down. And you should be good to go. Good as new. In this part of the video, I'm going to show you guys how to use the hinge method. So it's if you don't want to eyeball it or you want to make sure it looks level or it's balanced, the only thing you need is masking tape and a squeegee, which is already included. So we're going to place it on the truck door and we're just going to take our time doing it. get some help. If you have a friend that can help you peel or help you place, that's always better. Thank you for watching. Please subscribe and support us with a like and sharing this video. If you have any doubts, please visit our website and contact us. Thank you.